Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is soft neutral eyes with bold red lips featuring Wet n Wild Rosé Air palette for one palette different look series. So this is the look we are going to see today. To know how to create this look, you just keep watching till the end of this video. So this is very simple yet glamorous makeup. To start off the makeup, I'm using Blue Heavens primer and I'm going to concentrate the primer in my T-zone, especially in my T-zone and wherever I have pores, and I'm just going to spread the excess product across my face. So for foundation, I'm going to mix two different foundation. One is from Revlon and other is from Maybelline, and this is my favorite combination. Like both are full coverage foundation, so that is the reason why I'm not using any color correction today. So I'm using the wet sponge to blend the foundation, and first of all I'll say that you just take your own time in blending, do not hurry up. So I'm just going to concentrate the maximum product on the inner corner or like inner part of my face, and then going to diffuse the foundation to the outer part, so like this will ensure that you have a good base. And I'm going to use the same foundation as my eyeshadow base too. Usually I use concealer, but as it is a full coverage foundation, I'm just using the same foundation for my eyeshadow too. So I'm going to just concentrate on my ears also to even out the completion. And for concealer, I'm using Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. So this is my go-to favorite foundation, and I'm just applying the concealer the usual parts wherever I conceal, like Cupid's bow, sides of my nose, and sides of my mouth, under the eyes, and below the contour line. I'm blending it very well using the damp sponge. So for concealer also the same rule applies. Just blend for a good base. In order to set it, I'm using Blue Heaven makeup fixer and spritzing it all over my face. This step is optional. If you do not like it, you can just skip it. And for contouring, I'm using Wet n Wild's contouring stick just to create a depth. As I have a very round chubby face, I wanted to just chisel out my features, so I'm just using the contouring stick. And I'm blending it using the damp sponge, the same Mood damp sponge. And here also blend. Take your time and blend it really well. And to set everything in place, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me's loose powder, and I'm just going to set the concealed area only. I don't want to set the entire face, as it is winter, so I don't want to dry up my skin. And as you can see, only the T-zone, I'm going to set the T-zone alone, not any other part. I'm using the same damp sponge to set. Next, I'm going to use the highlighter from PAC Cosmetics. It is number 2 baked highlighter. It's a champagne highlighter, and I'm going to use it in the usual parts wherever I highlight. If you're following me, you can just know wherever I highlight, I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to highlight the brow bone area also with the same highlighter on the inner corner as well. This is my favorite highlighter. So I'm just going to use this bright pink from Sugar and Spice palette, Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to apply it on my apples of my cheek. And as it's got more intensification, I'm just going to settle it down using the damp sponge. So the basic idea of this look is like the pinky cheeks. So I'm just spritzing some makeup fixer, and I'm going to just dab the excess product using the sponge. For eyebrow filling, I'm using KKK Collections Lakme eyebrow pencil. This is one of my recent favorites. And always hold the pencil on the the end of the pencil, so that you'll have a minimum control and you'll end up using very less product. Here, if you're going to you hold it very close, then you're going to apply it overboard, and it will not look natural. So that is the reason why I'm holding it away. and I'm going to comb it and spread the product. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm using Wet n Wild's Rose in the Air palette. I'm taking the cool tone transition shade and apply on the crease area. This is a very simple eye look, just 2 eyeshadows, and you can just create it within just 2 to 3 minutes. You can hardly create this. Next, I'm going to take this golden color and just slightly applying it above the lash line. No much thing, like it's a soft eyes. If you want, you can just add a little more. Now I'm taking the same transition shade and applying it in the lower lash line too. To line my eyes, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and just no wings, nothing. I'm just going to apply the eyeliner for both upper lash line and lower lash line and waterline, and I'm going to smudge it using the smudger brush from Color Bar. So this is my go-to eyeliner look. So I always do this whenever I go out. Just to make it a little more softer, I'm just smudging out. If you do not wish to do it, you can just very well go with the bold eye itself. So it depends on your mood and preference. And I'm just going to give a good coat of mascara from Maybelline Big Shot mascara. If you want, you can just go with 2 layers of mascaras too. And I'm going to finish up the look using Revlon's red lipstick. I don't know the shade name, I just put it in the description bar below. So this is a beautiful maroonish red lip color, my favorite. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. This is somewhat a glowy, fresh looking makeup look. You can rock it for any daytime parties, or you can just go out for an outing or dating with the same look. So if you like it, give me a good thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and like my Facebook page. Thank you. Bye.